Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you customize your HUD. So let's give it a try. Let's start to the game. So welcome to the gameplay. As you can see, this is part of your HUD like movement, crossfire or aim, map. You can customize the location, the size, the opacity, etc. by click this setting. So first tap at the top of your screen the setting button. If you are using advanced mode, you can custom layout. I'm using simple mode. Click the custom layout. As you can see, this is the setting of your HUD. So give it a try. I'm customize my crosshair by using scale. You can make it bigger or make it smaller like this. And also opacity, the less opacity, the less transparent. You can adjust it, or if you mess up, you can click the default HUD. This is simplified or the default. So click the simplified. So this is the default, your default HUD. So let's adjust by your own creativity or make it simple, depend how you use it or depend on your game style. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.